Take out the fitair set, put the strap through the buckle, and hook up the fastener. It can be easily adjusted to fit on your arm. Fitair has two cylinder-shaped modules. You can detach both of them from the wearable seat by twisting it to align the unlock mark on the side. To put the two separate modules together is the stand-alone option. Align both arrow marks together and simply twist them. By aligning the arrow with the unlock mark and twisting it to lock position, you can easily put the two modules back onto the wearable seat. Open the air gate and install the connector. Use the tube connector to extend your silicone tube. This is optional, some customers are just comfortable with the single tube setting. Install the connector on the mask by clamping the two inlet parts together through the hole. If you don't have a hole on your mask, you can simply cut a 3 cm diameter hole on your own. Please note here, the opening of the inlet connector should always point downwards to create a natural positioning for silicone tube. You will be all set once your tube is connected to both mask and the fitair cleaning module. Enjoy the clean air. You need to change your HEPA filter when the color turns to dark, or your fitair app reminds you. Simply rotate and remove the shiny cap, change it with a new HEPA filter and put the cap back on. The replacement filter is available on AirDog official website.